Huh? Oh, it's just you. I was just admiring these colors. Well, today I will show you how to make a Block 8 world black and white. For this simple tutorial we just need to use filter commands. Specifically filter saturation. The command determines how saturated the world is as in color. 0 is the normal saturation level for every world once first made. If you still don't know, the saturation of a Block 8 world basically is the amount of color. So this means doing filter saturation 1 will give the Block 8 world a lot more vivid colors. So if we do filter saturation -1, we get an interesting result. The Block 8 world is now black and white. Here's a bonus. Doing -0.5 will cause the world to be half black and white and half color. And of course, to undo the black and white, do the command filter saturation 0. And that, YouTube, is how you can get a vintage styled world. Goodbye.